Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to check call forwarding on Android. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. There are two ways you can use to check call forwarding on your Android phone. First, you can use USSD code, and then the second, you can use your phone app. So let's start with the phone app on your Android. Just go ahead and open the phone app, then click on the three dots at top right, locate and click on settings. On some Android devices, you may see call forwarding straight. Go ahead and click on it. On some other Android devices, just scroll down, locate and click on supplementary services. And then you want to hang on for the supplementary services to open. Now, once the supplementary services is opened, go ahead and click on call forwarding under each of your SIMs. So here you get to know whether your calls are forwarded or not. Now you see I have call forward when busy and call forward when unreachable. So you want to go ahead and turn off this feature on your own case by clicking on the busy and then tap on turn off. And again, you can use the USSD code asterisk pound 21 pound and then select your SIM. And here you should see MMI code started. Now, if you have any call forwarded on your phone, you have access to them here. In my own case, you can see no call forwarding is active. So that is basically how you can easily check call forwarding on your Android phone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.